This video could save hours of your time and massively level up your revision. My name is Henry Brand. I got all 9s in my GCSE and 2 A stars in my A-levels. Today, I'm going to be explaining the most common revision mistakes everyone, including me, has made or still makes. I'm going to cover as much as I can in a short amount of time, so make sure you watch to the end to get all of the advice I have. Please leave a like as well, I'd really appreciate that. And also, everyone subscribe if you're new here. I do as many videos as I can, just trying to help you with your revision and improve your life. Okay, point number 1 is passive revision. So many people, and it still surprises me, think that highlighting notes from a book or writing notes from a textbook or whatever is useful. It is not. It's completely useless. At least 80% of your revision should be what's called active revision. That's testing yourself, like using a flashcard, question, answer, doing practice questions, doing quizzes, doing Seneca, where it encourages you to actually recall information. Most of your revision should be recalled information. In all of the 2 years of my A-levels, I made so many notes. When it actually came to my exams, I used none of them, literally not one. Instead of notes, skip the note stage and write them directly onto flashcards and test yourself with those flashcards. Mistake number 2 is having your phone even in the same room as you when you're revising. Your phone should not be in the same room as you. I cannot emphasize that enough. That is one of the most core revision, even for study tips or anything on your phone, study photos. I had this thing when I was in year 11 revising for my GCSEs, that loads of people in my year and stuff would just send photos of them revising and on Snapchat or whatever. If you're sending photos of yourself revising, you're not revising. That's really important. It's not something you should just flex. Oh, I'm revising, sending photos. Don't do that. You shouldn't have your phone on you when you're revising. That's so crucial. Studies have been done that show that even having your phone turned down next to you, you're not even on it when you're revising, is a distraction. Put your phone away, put your phone in a different room, or hand your phone to your parents saying, okay, can you give me my phone after this? Point number 3 is students ignore weak areas. They like revising what feels good because it feels good. No, your revision should focus on your weak areas consistently. Real progress comes from finding your weaknesses, the bits you hate. In my GCSEs, I didn't like chemistry at the start. I got a 3 in it in November, but I knew if I wanted to get the grades I wanted, I had to focus a lot on chemistry. I liked subjects like computer science, but I revised less on that because I knew I was good at it. Don't ego revise. Revise what you're bad at. Your revision should be challenging. Number 4, students have no long-term plan. I do literally mention this in every video. You should be bored of it by now. That's how much I mention it. Have a planner. Plan long-term. Look to the future. So many students, their revision is not based on any sort of plan or structure. Maybe they make a revision timetable and never stick to it. So every day when they revise, they're just like, oh, what do I feel like doing? Inevitably, they're guided to the easiest stuff. Have a plan, buy a planner, and think a little bit more long-term in your revision. I've done loads of videos on that. You can comment if you want more advice, but I talk about that all the time. Number 5, students don't stimulate exam conditions. Revision should be focused, or at least a large amount of your revision should be focused around exam conditions. So test yourself with a timer, with no phones, no screens, nothing, just a pen, a calculator, whatever you need. Simulate those exam conditions. The more you do that, the more prepared you are for the exams. In both my A-levels and GCSEs, during the Easter term before the exams, 3 weeks away, I did a massive set of mocks. I did like 20 papers, just a complete set of mocks. And that really helped me. It got me in the zone. It showed me I could succeed in exam conditions. And also, you're less likely to be distracted when you've just got a timer on and you're just doing deep work. That's when your brain works most effectively. If this video was helpful, please subscribe. Please check out my other videos. I've done videos on how to get a 9 or A star in loads of subjects, loads of revision videos. There's a lot of advice contained, and I do respond to as many comments as I possibly can. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And yeah, leave any comments or any video requests. I will make sure to answer them.